Hey, Amy from the blog of blossomlife.com, and today I want to show you how to make this really simple homemade bubble bath. It just takes a few ingredients and it is soft and moisturizing for your skin and really relaxing, and it makes really good bubbles, which is really hard to find in a homemade bubble bath recipe. Thank you so much to our sponsors at iHerb. This is a really simple recipe to make, and all the ingredients can show up right at your door. The only ingredients you really need to make this is soap, oil, glycerin, honey, and some essential oils if you want to add a type of aromatherapy or add a pretty smell to it. With the soap, there are a couple options you could choose. I first started using Castile soap because that's usually my go-to when it comes to natural products. I have a homemade hand soap that I make all the time that I use this awesome Castile soap with, but it doesn't always work for bubble bath, and depending on the type of water, it could depend on your bubbles, and the bubbles don't last quite as long. So this is an option. I don't think it's the best one though, but you could use Castile soap. The next option is a hand soap, and this is a natural hand soap. I really like this one. It smells really good, and it is pure essential oils, which is great. I don't like to use any type of fragrances, and so it has to be pure essential oils, and it has a really great score on the EWG website. And so this one worked really good. I think actually this is the best option to use, this hand soap, and it's less drying too because it is meant for your hands. It gave the best bubbles, the most bubbles, and the bubbles stayed the best. And then the third option is going to be dish soap. Now this dish soap from eCover has a really great rating, and it's fragrance free, which I like, so I can add the essential oils that I like. But dish soap can be a little bit drying, and we do add oil to this recipe, so that does help. This also gave really great bubbles that stayed. So, which is kind of a big deal, especially when you're giving kids baths. They want the bubbles to stay. They want to play with them. So this eCover is a great option. All right, then other ingredients. So I have oil. I like jojoba oil or almond oil would work really great. And I love Now brand. You can see I use a lot of Now brand. The ingredients are great. So like this is vegetable glycerin. It's just vegetable glycerin. That's all that's in it. Both these vegetable glycerin and the oil help with sudsing, and it also helps keep moisture on your skin. So these are great for that. That's why it's a moisturizing bubble bath. And then the last ingredient is honey, which is optional, but this also adds a sudsing power. Also, honey is naturally antibacterial, and it's really good for your skin. It can help moisturize it. So those are going to be the ingredients that you can choose from, all from iHerb.com. If you've never shopped with iHerb.com before, check out in the description below. I'm going to leave a link, and you can get a coupon code for your first order. It is great. They have over 30,000 products, and they ship directly from their climate-controlled buildings. Their shipping is super fast, which I love, and it comes right to your door, which is great. All right, let's get started making the recipe. Super simple. I'm going to use the hand soap today because I really like the way the bubbles lasted in this one. I think it worked the best out of all three. All right, so I'm going to add about a half a cup of this Everyone's hand soap, and you could use a different hand soap that foams well and is natural. There's a great selection on iHerb.com of all different body products, oils, ingredients, even snacks. They have a really great variety. Okay, so we need a half a cup of that. And then I'm going to do a quarter cup of vegetable glycerin, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So here's a little trick for you. Do the oil first so that the honey slips out of the spoon and you don't have to be scraping it down. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of oil. Jojoba oil is really great for your skin. It's really moisturizing. But you could also use almond oil or olive oil, avocado oil. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of honey, and I have this wholesome organic honey, which I really like. It's a really great quality, and I love the mess-free cap. Look how easy that comes out. And then we're just going to mix it up. Now you can add essential oils if you want to. You could add lavender, chamomile, wild orange, frankincense. Those would be all really good calming ones, especially if you like nighttime baths. Those would be great because they could help your body kind of settle down and get calmer before bedtime, which works really good for kids. This one already has the coconut, and it's coconut lavender. I'm not going to add any essential oils because it smells really good already. Now this is all mixed up. I'm going to add it to just a cute little jar with a funnel. All right, there you go. That's it. Super simple to make. Now, to use this, what I like to do is fill the bath about halfway up to where I'm planning to fill it. For the kids, I don't fill it that high, but about halfway up. And then while the water is still running, you're going to want to pour it right into the water. That's what's going to create the bubbles. And using the hand soap will definitely create a good amount of bubbles, and they will stay, which is great. A couple other notes is this is not tear-free, so you just want to make sure that your kids understand that to be careful, that you don't want it to get into their eyes. All right, that's it. Super simple how to make homemade bubble bath that actually works. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share 2 new videos every single week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living. Thank you so much to our sponsors, iHerb.com. Make sure to head over there, grab the coupon code in the description box, and check out the 30,000 products that they have. They have customer service available 24/7 in 10 different languages, and they ship to over 150 countries. So make sure to check them out. I love using them. Their prices are amazing, better than anywhere else I've seen. They don't have an annual fee, which is great. So make sure to check them out, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for stopping by.